Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment to my video. Now, this is a different kind of video you ever see online because this is the first of the first. Now, this is a custom-made collection or connect agency website, which is kind of different from any other kind of design you may be seeing online because this has a different kind of interface. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment to my video. Now, this is how it is. This is the front end section, which is nice. This is good. So I'm just navigate straight to the user section. This is the application booking form, one of the booking products. If you want to know how we're able to install this and see this application as very safe and you want to get more of this information, stick to the end of this video. See you guys in the next section. So I'm just navigate straight to my setup, which is I'm using Ostinga for this video section. Hey guys, welcome back. Now this is Ostinga. If you're using cPanel for your own installation, it's still the same process. Just locate your file manager. Now you can see this is my domain, which is empty. So I'll go straight to my public_HTML. Now I'll go to upload, then I'll select my file. As you can see, the file is uploading already. So I'll go back to my Ostinga. This is my dashboard. Then I have created my company email already, so I'll be able to reduce the time frame for this video. So also create your company email and ensure to save your information on your notepad. So I'm going straight to the database section and let me just fill out this information. So I've saved my information here. So I'll just click what create. So if you're using cPanel, you get to notice after this section it shows you something like all privileges. Ensure to click on it. Very, very important. So this is it. So I'll go to enter my phpMadmin. If you're using cPanel, go to phpMadmin. So our file has been uploaded. So go back to the phpMadmin section. So I'll go to DB and go to import. Then I'll choose the file. So this is it. I'll click open. Then go to import. So our file has been uploaded successfully. I'll click on structures. Good. So go back to your public_HTML and extract the folder or the zip file. Good. So I'll double click on the folder and copy all the information here. So once you copy all the information, ensure to move them to your public_HTML or your add-on domain. So I'll just go ahead and delete the folder. Good. So I'll come back to this section here. So go to your .env and edit this. So I'll copy my domain link. Now take this to good. Then you can change this name here and just say connect. Good. So then for the database section, ensure to just copy and paste your information. So all what you're doing is you're copying and pasting the information. So it's easy as that. Then click on save. So I'll go back to this section here and reload. Good. So this is my password. In case you come across this information, it's just your database password. I'll go back to my database and it sets this password section. So you just change the password. Then ensure to take your PC version to 7.4. So take this to 7.4. So I'll go back to my .env and change this. Now I'll click on save. So I'll reload this section again. Good. So you can see how it is. Now this is so nice, guys. This is nice. So you can see how it is. It's so responsive and it's nice. Now this is a custom made design, which is good, and this is nice. So let me just show you guys the mobile navigation, which is awesome. Good. Now the next section is, let us log in our admin. So copy your domain name. So it will be your domain name / admin login / validate _ admin. You can also use your domain name / admin login / panel, but you can use this also. So go to your patient admin, go to admins. So go to edit. Then in this section, you just change it to your company email. Then for the password, change it to your password and encrypt this. Then click on go. So I'll come back here and just fill out the information. Now click on sign in. Good. So this is the website. This is good. So go straight to app settings. Now let's change this information here. Good. So basically, you just copy and paste your information, which is good. This should be your domain link, and you can change your favicon and logo and just update this. Then go to preference and copy your company email. Do the same thing here and save. Then go to email settings. This is very, very important. Do not miss this section. So ensure you just paste your email here and here. Now this should be your SMTP. So if you created your email, go to your webmail. Your first message you get in your inbox is your configuration settings. So your outgoing server for the SMTP, you put it here. Also, you copy your email password you created and paste it here. Then click on save. This is good. So we are done with this. So if you go to create celebrity, now you just put the celebrity name. Let me just say Ochukwu Steve. Occupation, dancer. Booking fee, just put a figure here. Let me just say the year, 2018, present. The date of birth. Okay. Then celebrity country, Nigeria. Then put this as featured. Then let me just upload an image. So I have uploaded an image. I'll just click on add celebrity. You can see. So I'll go back to this section. Now this is how it is. This is just a booking website. So once user come to this section, they can navigate all here. It's very responsive and smooth. So I'll go straight to book now. Now you can see how the book now section is. Okay. So I'll come to this section. This happened because my name is too big. Let me go back again and go to settings, go to app settings. Let me just reduce this information and update. So I'll come back and reload here. I can see this is nice. So let's go to celebrity we created, which is Ochukwu Steve. I'll select this. You can see we have many here. So let me just go for apply for this. That takes you to this section, which is the booking section, which is good. This is custom made design and this is for agencies. Okay, then I'll come to this section here and fill out this information and good. I submit this application. I can see application has been received and it's under review. So once I go back to my webmail and reload this section, I can see how it is. So this is the booking section. So go back to your admin, then go to bookings, able to see the information here. So this is basically how it is. I believe user also gets email. This user also get emails. You can see the application received. You can see this is it. So basically this is all about the booking platform. If you like this video, guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching my video once more.